So you want to start a travel business, but you have no idea what step to take next. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 steps required in order for you to launch a successful travel business. My name is Sundey Gardner, and I'm your online travel boss, and we're going to talk about the first step. First thing that you're going to need to do is select a travel niche. And that specialty is going to be everything that your business is going to be built upon. Most people think that when they start a travel business that they should be a jack of all trades. They should start giving out quotes. They should start booking and learning all about every type of destination. But there are thousands of destinations, hundreds of different travel suppliers there are, and the best thing that you could do for your sanity and then also to provide the best customer experience is to create a niche around your interests. That would be my recommendation. The number 2 thing that you want to do when starting your travel business is you want to create a sound business structure. Should you become a partnership? Should you be a sole proprietorship? Should you incorporate? Should you be an LLC? Whatever you decide, you want to be legal. What you don't want to do is start your business, not be legally formed, not have the correct licenses and credentials for your state, and then look up and Uncle Sam come knocking on your door. Number 3 thing that you want to do in order to successfully start your travel business is to define your brand. And in defining your brand, what that will entail is identifying what the vision of your business is, who it is that you're going to serve, and how you're going to have a unique way of servicing your clients. Once you have your brand defined, you understand who your niche is, you understand what travel suppliers you're going to specialize in and become experts in, then you can develop the 4th item, which is your marketing strategy. In your marketing strategy, this is really where you're singing on the rooftops what an amazing business you are. You're attracting as many strangers as you possibly can to your business such that you can provide them unparalleled service, right? And so the very thing with your marketing strategy that you want to ensure that you have is not only your vision defined, but you want to ensure that you have offers, different offers depending on the type of customer you have. For new customers who don't know anything about you, you want to make sure that you have an offer that is an exchange of information, something that's going to be quick for them to consume, and in exchange they'll give you your email address so that you can start to build your email list. Once you build your email list, you'll want to nurture those people, build relationships with them so that they can start to trust that you are going to provide them with the experiences, travel experiences that they so desire. And you're going to do that all in your marketing plan. The final thing that you want to be able to do once you've decided your niche and your business structure and all of the other things that we've discussed is you want to select the type of way you're going to get your credentials. Are you going to partner with the host agency or are you going to get them on your own? If you decide to partner with a host agency, you may want to take a look at my other video where I talk about the 3 factors in considering when selecting a host agency, because frankly, selecting a host agency is the quickest way to get the travel agent superpower, whereas doing it on your own is the most rewarding from a financial perspective. Now that you have the 5 steps, are you really ready to start your own business? Are you ready to jump? And if so, put in the comments that you're ready to jump and let me know, because I would love to celebrate with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to send me a direct messenger and Facebook. Look in the description for the link to do so.